so they can kind of move about the cabin, so to speak, a little bit more freely.
There's nowhere for them to go.
Mm-hmm.
They can't,
especially on a day.
They can't wander off. They can't, there is only a finite amount of space that these children are able to be in. And it's even more narrow than you think. They could be anywhere on the ship. Well, not really, because half of the ship is all staterooms. So there's 5 decks, really, that your kid could be on at any time, if they're not in the kids' clubs. If you have an independent preteen or teenager, they'll love this. They'll love this trip because they can have that independence and go do their thing and still come back for family activities, which is great.